Okay, see that one? That's MGM. So today I'm just going to film on the outside. I'm not going to go on the inside today, but I'm going to give you a little context because there's the Wynn Palace. I'll highlight that a little bit in a minute. This is our focus, and we're going to walk around it a little bit and kind of see what's around here, including this little light transit rail station. Okay, be back in a second. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, there's our MGM. So you kind of got these beautiful blocked buildings like that on this side. And this is all part of MGM too. Got a little aquarium show, I guess. Actually, that aquarium show is on the other MGM on the Macau side. There could be one inside of this one too, I just don't know, but there's a beautiful aquarium on the other side. There's two MGMs in Macau. Over here is a Wynn Palace. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna be wary of this speeding traffic, and then we're gonna go up and try to film MGM and also get a little bit of Wynn Palace along the way because they're neighbors, and then you can get a better context of how everything fits together. So there's the Wynn Palace. You got these beautiful little things that come in like that. The music is a little bit loud, so we have to speak a little bit louder just to get over top of it a little bit. But you got these those are cable cars. So you got little cable cars that go all the way across. So those cable cars come all the way down and they'll come over to this spot. But actually our focus is going to be MGM and how the MGM fits into everything. So there's our MGM right next to the train line. There's our little lion, City of Dreams, and that music is so loud. I hope that it doesn't kill my video, so we'll see if it does or not. That is really loud music. I gotta speak loud to get over top of it. I don't know if I will or not. Sorry for the constant talking, but it's the only way to try to drown that out a little bit. And I wanted to show you this of Wynn Palace as well. Okay, good. Phew. Music stopped. That's the one problem with this Wynn Palace, is the music is so loud that I can't speak over it. I used to have, I'll tell you another time. Okay, so we're gonna go up this one. There's your MGM. That music's too loud. Okay, we're back filming this, and you got a lot of stuff happening over here at Wynn Palace as well. So MGM is right directly across from it. You could have a pretty good view from this casino looking at that casino as well. But you can definitely see it from that casino even closer, of course. This one you'd have to look across this train line. This train line is this one right here. So this is called Cotai East Station, Cotai Strip, Casino Strip. And that music is pretty loud, so we got to get away from it. And MGM is our focus anyway, so that's the MGM from here. Let's turn off the camera for a little bit, it's so loud. Okay, there's MGM, so we're just going to catch it from that side. And we're going to try to speak very loud over that loud music of Wynn Palace. And because I want to capture this office building park here that I haven't really noticed before. Oh, good music. Whew. City of Dreams right there. Oh, we can't even get around that way. No. Okay, that's the Wynn Palace. It's like we go into the street a little bit here. There's MGM. Okay, there we go. There's the MGM. So I have walked inside there many times, but today I really want to get into another building, which is this Morpheus over here. So we're going to be trying to do that instead. But this is the outside of the MGM, and you can kind of see all this giant display of stuff happening at Wynn Palace. And the music just ended too, so that's good. I can talk normal again. Whew. So here's MGM on this side. Londoner, Venetian, City of Dreams. So those are all right over that side. And there's the MGM. It's kind of a cool building, this blue spherical one used to be the Hard Rock Cafe. And now it's Countdown, and now Countdown is part of City of Dreams. I think that's also part of it too, I think, City of Dreams. There's our giant MGM lion right there. So yeah, this one, usually I'll go inside and walk around a little bit, but today we're gonna doing an outside one instead. And I'm kind of more interested in doing the City of Dreams next. So so that's a little taste of MGM and where it's located at. So right next to the Wynn Palace, MGM, and then Londoner and Venetian and City of Dreams. So okay. And with that note, it's nice and quiet too. It's amazing. Okay, so I did it right there. MGM.